So there's a couple of ways that I'm going to be showing you how to do it. First of all is let's load up the game through Steam or wherever you have bought it from. So I have bought it through Steam. All you need to do is go to your library and press play. Come out of Steam now. So this is for PC only, guys. It does work for console as well, but I am on PC, so I'm showing the version that I load up through Steam. So if you do like this video, please leave a like. Also consider leaving a comment down below, and consider subscribing to the channel. And thank you for watching. So all you do is just come down where it says downloadable content. Click onto that. So show crossplay only. So this will be only for crossplay, and then if you do show all, then it will have the PC mods. And all you do is just click on one of the categories, like small tractors. See, I've got the restroom installed. Click on this John Deere, and it says install there, and you'll go direct to your downloads folder. Then you can uninstall it if you want to uninstall it, and it should say 100% installed. And the same with a trailer. So if we go down to a trailer, there's all sorts here. So installed there again. But it's been added to the download list, so that's fine. You can uninstall as well. As you can see, it's 100% installed, and if you click that off, and it will only show for console players only. So this will only be for console players only, so we can click anything. Factories, like so again, just click anything. Sugar beet processing plant, or anything like that you want. Update, we need to update this. So if you do find any mods that need updating, it will say update. So all you need to do is just click on it and press the update button. And there you go. And it will just update. You can also rate the mod out of 5. I think this mod is good, so I'm going to rate it out of it, the max rating. Because it's a lime and seed spread fertilizer. So that's how you do it on the game. So it will go down directly into your downloads folder, which is in your documents. So this is your documents, so you go to Farm Sim, My Games, Farm Sim 22, Mods. If you have not got a folder created for mods, what you just do, right click, go more, new, yellow folder, and name it MODS, all lowercase. All your mods will go into here. So the second thing I'm going to be showing you now is Farming Simulator main website. So if you go to Farm Sim, so I will leave a link in the description as well. So this is the main website for the Farm Sim, where you can also buy the game. If you do want to buy the game as well, guys, feel free to use my link down below for Giants to buy the game, and also as well to buy the season pass. It does help towards the channel a lot, so feel free to use that. All you need to do is, so yeah, this is the DLCs. You can buy the DLCs through here, and if you go to mods, so then just scroll down, whatever mod you fancy. So we'll click onto the more information and just have a look at it and see what it is. Then see this download button. You would need WinRAR or 7-zip downloaded on your PC to for this, guys. You don't need to extract it at all. So there's no need to extract it for this, so all you need to do is just download it. So this is for PC players only. My window always comes up with that, so I just download another one and we'll just go back. And then we'll just download it again, like black sheep modding. Then we can come out of that website now. So yeah, I'll leave a link to the FarmSim website down in the description. Then you go to your documents, all your stuff will come into your downloads folder. I can delete that because I don't need them no more. And all you do is just highlight it, drag it to your desktop, then find the file location. I'll probably leave that in the description as well. There you go to C drive or wherever your Steam is located. Normally yours is on your C drive and in the documents. So go to documents, my games, farming simulator, mods, and just highlight or control and C and control V, and then you'll go in. Now go in, then you see. So if we go onto the game now and load up a map save, and then they'll normally be ticked or unticked, and if they're unticked, just tick them before you start the game. So go to career mode. So all these mods here that I've already got are all ticked, so normally they will be unticked. Like so. So these two are unticked. Then just make sure they are ticked before you start the game, and these two as well. Tick them and then tick that. So any mods that are unticked, just make sure you tick them. Or you can just do deselect all and select all, and then they're all selected. Then it's simple. Then you start your game, and then happy farming. So I do stream Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday on YouTube and Twitch and as well from 5 o'clock UK time. Monday and Tuesday we do farm sim, Wednesday we do trucking, Thursday we do train simulator world, and then Friday we do Command and Conquer, only on Twitch only. So yeah, I think this video has helped you out a little bit. Just wait for it to load up, then we'll see if that vent is in the game. First time it always takes a little bit long to load up. Also as well, if you've got loads of mods in your mods folder, the game's going to take a lot more longer to load. So I just recommend just cleaning your mods folder out every now and again, or make another folder on your desktop just for your mods, and then take them out and put them in and as and when you need them. So yeah, only use the mods that you're going to, only have the mods installed, the ones that you are going to use. There is a thing out there where you can actually separate your mods and your mods folders and your maps all into one folder, and then you can select the individual ones. I'll have to have a look at that and find out how to use that. It organizes the maps with the mods for one save game, and then it will organize one for another save game as well. As you can see, it's loaded up now. We're on Old Streams Farms. We're going to be streaming this on Monday. So if you press your shop button, then we got a small tractor with John Deere, weren't it? So, and a fan. So they're not in the medium tractors, they'll be in the small ones. So there you go. The John Deere's there, and also the fence there. And if we go into trailers, that trailer should be there as well. So all the modded stuff will be at the end of the base game stuff. So these are mods So all the modded stuff will be at the end of the base game. And if we go to motors as well, the motors will be there as well. So yeah, at the end. And the same with the production factories as well. If I can find the production factories. Don't think they'll be on this one, I don't think. Winter equipment. Give me a couple of minutes to find it. These implements. Objects, packs. So yeah, this is your owned equipment as well, and also this is where your leased equipment will be, and this is where the other will be. So if you go down to here, and then your animal dealers wardrobe, and then your farmland, go to construction mode, and then your silos, go to silos. If you go to, oh yeah, productions, here we are. And go to generators, then all your generator stuff will be in there. Sell points will be in there, so go to factories. So there's that mod there that we added. Same picker for the lime factory. I think I might put this in as well because it might be quite handy. Definitely might be quite handy, so I might just put it there. I'm going to put a couple of barns there. So yeah, if this video has helped you at all, please leave a like. Also consider subscribing to the channel. I do greatly appreciate it. And leave a comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ta. Bye for now.